In this video, I will teach you how to create a knowledge base in SharePoint. This is with the use of OneDrive because SharePoint is a Microsoft 365 paid content. So this is a simple way to organize and share information with your team, and you can manage it easily using OneDrive as a substitute for SharePoint storage. So the very first thing you need to do is to go to the onedrive.com website. Then you just have to log in using your Microsoft account. But if you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free. And once you're in OneDrive, you can start by creating a new folder that will act as your knowledge base. To do that, you just have to click on Create right here and then click on Folder. You can give it a clear name like Team Knowledge Base or Company Resources. Let's say Knowledge right here. Knowledge Base. Then hit on Create. The next thing you have to do in order for you to locate your new folder is to click on My Files right here. And you will be able to see right here the folder that you have made. Next, you can add documents to this specific folder. Once you click on that, then you can add the documents here. This can be Word files, Excel sheets, PDFs, or even images. Basically, any content that you want your team to access. You can organize the documents into subfolders if necessary, for example, by topic, by project, or even by department. Now, if you want to share your knowledge base with your team, you can just click on this share button right here, and then you can choose who you want it to view this or edit the content, and even generate a shareable link for easy access, which is right here. You can add a name or add a message to the one that you want to send the file for or the folder for. So finally, any updates you make in OneDrive will automatically sync for everyone with access, giving you a dynamic and easily maintainable knowledge base. So using OneDrive allows you to simulate SharePoint functionality without needing a full SharePoint site. You keep your knowledge base structured with clear folder names and consistent file formats, and regularly update the knowledge base to ensure team members always have the latest information inside the folder that you have created as knowledge base. So that's all there is today. Hope we helped.